Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're stepping into a world where rugged outdoor adventure meets the height of luxury and performance. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome, known for pushing the boundaries of what's possible in high-end automotive engineering, Brabus has taken its expertise from tuning super SUVs and performance cars and applied it to the motorhome segment. The result is a machine that doesn't just get you to your destination, it turns the journey itself into an unforgettable experience. From the very first glance, the Brabus Motorhome 2026 demands attention. Built on a heavily re-engineered Mercedes chassis, it carries a road presence unlike any other RV. The exterior has been reshaped with bold, muscular lines and a stance that's both aggressive and elegant. At the front, the massive grille features the iconic Brabus B emblem, flanked by adaptive LED headlights with a crystal-like signature. The bumper is sculpted for both aerodynamics and cooling efficiency, with large air intakes that hint at the power within. Moving down the sides, carbon fiber accents frame the tinted panoramic windows, while the lower body kit subtly widens the profile, enhancing stability and road grip. Retractable side steps deploy automatically when the door opens, and a power-operated awning is neatly hidden along the roofline. The roof itself houses a set of integrated solar panels and satellite communication hardware, keeping the sleek profile intact while offering off-grid capability. At the rear, signature vertical LED tail lamps, a carbon fiber spare wheel cover, and a purposeful diffuser complete the picture of a motorhome that's as stylish as it is functional. Inside, Brabus has created an environment that feels more like a private jet than a recreational vehicle. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leathers, Alcantara, or polished wood, with bespoke stitching and Brabus logos subtly embossed throughout. The driver's cockpit is pure Mercedes luxury, upgraded with Brabus-specific touches, a fully digital high-resolution display, a sporty flat-bottom steering wheel trimmed in leather and carbon, and deep supportive captain's chairs with heating, cooling, and massage functions. The living space is divided into distinct zones, each designed with both comfort and practicality in mind. The lounge area features a pair of power-adjustable recliners facing a 55-inch 4K smart TV mounted on a hidden lift system. Ambient LED lighting runs along the ceiling edges and can be customized for color and intensity, creating the perfect mood whether you're relaxing after a day on the road or entertaining guests. The dining area offers a handcrafted extendable table with seating for 4, upholstered in the same premium leather as the driver's seats. The kitchen is a showcase of efficiency and style. Brabus has equipped it with a high-end induction cooktop, a combination convection oven and microwave, a full-height fridge freezer, and a stainless steel sink with a pull-out spray tap. Countertops are finished in scratch-resistant composite stone, and the cabinets are soft close with hidden hinges to keep the lines clean. Storage space is abundant, with every nook optimized for practicality. Sleeping accommodations are equally impressive. The main bedroom at the rear features a king-size bed with an adjustable base, memory foam mattress, and built-in reading lights. Large side windows with electric blinds allow you to wake up to panoramic views at the touch of a button. A second sleeping area can be created by converting the lounge seating, making the motorhome suitable for up to 4 adults in total comfort. The bathroom is more like a luxury spa than a typical motorhome washroom. There's a walk-in shower, with rainfall and handheld options, a ceramic flush toilet, and a vanity with an illuminated mirror and premium fittings. Heated flooring and towel racks add a touch of indulgence, while a water filtration and recycling system extends your time between refills. Performance is where Brabus truly separates itself from the crowd. Under the hood is a tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing an astonishing 600 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This power is sent through a 9-speed automatic transmission to all 4 wheels, giving the motorhome sports SUV levels of acceleration and control. 0 to 60 mph comes in under 6 seconds, numbers unheard of in this segment. and the electronically limited top speed of 135 mph is more than enough for highway travel. Adaptive air suspension keeps the ride smooth over long distances while adjusting automatically to maintain stability even in challenging conditions. Braking is handled by oversized, ventilated discs with multi-piston calipers, giving stopping power that matches the performance. The Brabus Motorhome isn't just about brute force. It's equipped with the latest in driver assistance and safety tech. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, a full 360-degree camera system, automatic emergency braking, and crosswind stabilization all come standard. Off-road capability is enhanced by selectable drive modes, hill descent control, and increased ground clearance at the push of a button. For those planning long stays off-grid, the integrated solar array feeds into a high-capacity lithium-ion battery bank, capable of running all onboard systems for days without external power.